Hey guys, it is hot and I'm tired, and this is Real Life Gardening coming at you. I'm in the most unglamorous spot in the garden right now, looking equally as unglamorous myself because I've been out here working all day, but I get tons of questions about my Hoselink. Now, if you take a look through the fence there, you can see mounted to the fence is my Hoselink. I've had it for about 5 years now, and it has been such a game changer. I can't even tell you. I have bragged about it and showed it off to my mom and dad and friends and family. I got my mom and dad two over the last 2 years for Christmas because I like it that much. Now this one Hoselink reaches the entire perimeter of my property. I drag it through the fence here, through the gate. I bring it around to the side of the vegetable garden, but I use it so much that I really would like to have a dedicated one here outside of the gate to water the out front. I've got the gate swung open now, propped open with a trash can, and it just gets, it kind of gets tangled up, or the gate will swing closed, and I just would like to have a little bit of the extra length and have a dedicated hose to the front yard. And then I've got the one on the fence here for the back and the side vegetable garden. So really the point of today's video is to show you how super simple installing the Hoselink is. Now my original one, I used their mounting kit. They have included hardware and this black bracket and all the anchors and bolts that you need, and that's how it's attached to my fence. You can totally do this. It takes a little bit more work, and it's got all the heavy duty anchors that you need, but if you have a surface, a 4x4 post, anything that you could mount it on, go ahead and use this because it's great. I got a stucco house here, and I'm not about to start drilling into my stucco or mounting anything that I don't have to here. This is where the hose bib is, so I'm going to use my power planter auger. I'm going to drill a hole. Wait till you see how easy this is. And then I just have a 1-inch galvanized like conduit pipe here that I got at the hardware store. I'm gonna have this Hoselink set up in like 2 seconds, 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. So just watch. All right, so I got my auger. I want it to go about probably here. Now, you don't need to have the power planter auger to do this. I love the power planter. That's why I'm using it. It just made that job like so much faster for me. You could totally just dig a hole. Now, I'm not using concrete or anything like that. I've got a bit of soil here that I'm just going to sift back in. This is exactly how I installed it at my mom and dad's house, and then I'm just going to give this a couple taps with a rubber mallet. Now if you get a longer pole, you can drive it down even farther, and that's it. I'm just going to kind of stomp it around, firm it up a bit. If you want to use concrete, you can. I'm looking for fast and easy solutions here. You just lift it up. The Hoselink has a handle here, and then there's this little pole sticking out of the bottom, inside, just like that. That's it. That's it. I just installed my Hoselink. This is the part that's going to go onto, my faucet. These quick connect attachments, so you don't have to turn and turn and turn and turn. As I'm getting older, I'm having, I work with my hands a lot out here, and I'm starting to feel, the onset of arthritis coming on. So anything that's like that easy for me, you just line it up. If I can see where I'm lining it, and turn like so, and that keeps it nice and connected. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to first move this, screw that right on there. Then you've got the quick connect that I just showed you, that just one quick turn and it turns and it locks in there. I'll turn the water on. Well, first, this is also new for me. This is their new sprayer. And again, you know that trigger action on your hands. I am out of breath. That trigger action on your hands can get, you know, you cramped up after a while. This has this nice like thumb motion on the sprayer, and I like that. And it's got all the different, you know, the traditional jet, full, center, cone, mist, all the good things. I usually put mine on center for the most part, but here's how easy. And look, it's got a open and closed valve aside from that right there. And oh, I like that. That's a nice strong spray. You'll pull it like this and it'll stop. Give it another tug and it goes in. So I'll show you from out here. There we go. Oh, I was gonna say you can use any sprayer you like. I like this one. I think I'm gonna use the shower one instead though. I have some soil here I'm gonna rinse off since I'm out. Sorry, I'm out of view here. But yeah, that's it. Let me back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Hey there. Woo, woo. All right, so that's it. That's my Hoselink. Super easy install. It took me 2 seconds at the end of a hot, long, tiring day with my family in the summer, in the heat, doing other projects and things. So if you're thinking about picking one up, I hope this will kind of guide you in that decision. I give it my 2 big green thumbs up, and Hoselink is so awesome. They are doing a giveaway, but it's over on my Instagram. So follow me over at howsitgrowing NJ, and I'm doing a giveaway today as well. We'll just make it disappear. My head is chopped off right now. Here we go. I'm seriously set up in my neighbor's driveway right now. How rude. So I just wanted to show you really quick before I disturb people how easy. Look. All right, let me get out of my neighbor's driveway. But this isn't like those old school ones that need, you know, the water pressure or anything like that. Anyway, I love my Hoselink. If you want to enter the giveaway, follow me on Instagram at howsitgrowing.nj. Definitely be sure to follow Hoselink as well, because they have way more than just the Hoselink. They have sprayers, and they're coming out with lighting. They've just recently come out with solar lighting. So many things, little sprinklers. Just go check them out. Pruners, everything. So thank you, Hoselink, for sponsoring this video. I appreciate you so very much, and happy gardening, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.